Guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my updated hair tutorial. I get questions about this every day, so I thought I would sit down and show you guys how I've been doing my hair now that I am trying to grow it out. It was actually last year at the same time, it was right before Christmas when I cut my hair its shortest. It was like really short and I just want long hair back, and I feel like the longer that my hair gets, the more kind of relaxed my hairstyles are. So if you have shorter hair, I will link my other two tutorials for my shorter hair in the description box. It's kind of the same technique, but I'm using a bigger barrel and I just feel like it looks softer and just more lived in. So I love this hairstyle, and I only do this like 2 times a week because dry shampoo is my best friend and I don't have time to be doing my hair all the time. This is super quick and easy, and these curls last because I'm using this awesome wand. You guys know I love NuMe. I've used NuMe in all of my hair tutorials, so that's what I'm using today, and it's the Octowand. So I'm going to show you how I use that and the different products that I use to get these kind of just lived in beachy waves. So if you'd like to see how I achieve this look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So I am just starting out with straight hair, and I also do this when my hair is just blown out, it doesn't matter. And then I'm going to be taking my Octowand and the 32mm barrel. It's the biggest one in this set, and you just click it in and you're good to go. This thing heats up so quickly. So I am just starting out with the bottom section of my hair, and you can see here I'm taking pretty big sections of my hair to wrap around the barrel, and I wrap it around leaving the ends out, and I only hold it there for a couple seconds until I start kind of moving the barrel up and down with my hair. I feel like this just gives it a little bit more of a lived in beachy look, and then I just let go of that curl. It curls it so quickly, and these little pieces that you see whenever I start moving the barrel up and down that are coming out, don't worry about those. I like to keep those out anyway. It just gives a little bit more texture to the hair and gives it a little bit more body, so it's not so uniform. What I love about this hairstyle is it's not super precise. So I moved up one more section of hair, and I'm taking a little bit smaller pieces to wrap around the barrel now. So every time I move up a section, I just take a little bit of a smaller piece to start curling to give it a little bit more body and fullness at the top of my hair. So I'm doing the same thing all the way around my head. I am just taking pieces, wrapping it around, holding it for a few seconds, and then I will start moving it up and down on the barrel. And that's all I'm doing. I'm also curling all of the pieces of my hair away from my face. You can totally switch it up if that's what you're into. I feel like my hair just looks more flattering when it's all curled away from my face. So when I get to the top section of my hair, I do like to hold the barrel a little bit closer to the root to give it more fullness and give it a little bit of a lift, but I am doing the same process. And one thing to really keep in mind is to make sure that your hair is always flat on the barrel. Now that you have all of your curls done, it's time to go through and just kind of fine tune. Definitely break up those curls with your hands, and that's going to give a lot more texture to the hair. And then if you have any pieces that just look a little bit too straight, or you want to do some fine tuning, do that before we go in with our products. The first product I'm going to use is some texturizing spray. This one's from IGK Hair, and I absolutely love it. So I am spraying from the bottom of my hair up, and that's going to really help keep those ends separated. And then I'm also kind of scrunching my hair as I spray it. And then I'm also going to spray a little bit around like my part, and you can see I'm really rubbing that with my fingers. I feel like it just really separates that area and keeps it looking voluminous and texturized throughout the day. And then I'm finishing off the look with the NuMe Not Your Basic End Sealer. And I just take a couple pumps, rub it between my hands, and then I'm kind of rubbing it just like I did earlier with the texture spray, but I'm only applying this to the ends of my hair. It really locks in the moisture in your hair, and it also makes them just look smoother. So once you do that, your look is complete. It's super simple to do. These waves last me a few days, so I don't have to style my hair all the time, and I just love how easy it is. So if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!